Tell me a little bit more about how was German before you have joined our Lightspeed German learning course, and how is it that now? So, what is the main difference for you, and what is the biggest transformation that you have experienced?
For me, I spoke absolutely no German before the course or before coming to Switzerland. I went to a normal school, if you will, and I've learned the basics. For me, I was not able to speak or have a conversation, just even ordering coffee at the restaurant, and I was getting very frustrated. And this program really helped me to be able to be more confident and more comfortable speaking in German. I'm very proud today. I can say because of this course, I can speak with my colleagues in German. I can learn about them. I can learn about their families. I can learn about who they really are. And so this course has been game changing for me in terms of my German level. I feel way more confident with the amount of practice and support I've got through the course to be able to speak, to be able to communicate. And yes, it's still not perfect. It's an ongoing process, but I have the confidence now, and I have the structure, if you will, in my head that I can speak German and be understood. So this program, I really changed it for me. I was losing motivation going to the normal school process. Full respect for the school process, but for me, it was really about communicating and building confidence. And this course provided this to me extremely well. I can't thank enough the teachers, the coaches that are involved in this program. It is an intense program. You need to be committed and dedicated, but if you put the effort, the support that you get, and the progress is unbelievable. It's really a course for me, in my opinion, for everyone that wants to learn and that is dedicated. The course, the process is made so we can learn and be more fluent. And at the end of the day, it's all about confidence and being able to speak German.
Absolutely. I mean, the confidence is the key to your success, not just for learning German, but also at your work. Because now, once you have improved your German, you can now communicate with your colleagues, which again help you with your confidence and your performance in other things, in other areas at your work, building connections with your colleagues, becoming a friend with them. Like you can really now dive deeper into some topics and discuss with them, which is of course really important. And also as well, since you're in Switzerland, not everyone speak English. Maybe some of them they don't, right? So of course, if you travel around Switzerland, or if you go somewhere with your family in the restaurant, now of course you can order the food. You can ask for certain things. If you go to your doctor, you can talk to him, and these are the basic things. And of course, up to some more professional things in your future that okay, we have reached certain level that you can start speaking. Now it's about double practice. It's not just it's over. Now it's up to you to continue speaking, use the knowledge. So of course you won't forget what we have learned. But also like to mention to everyone watching this video that Danny was the person who were he was very decisive. He was very committed, and he was here. He wasn't skipping classes. He put his best, and this is why he got results. So learning German is not just about okay, I'm gonna learn a couple of phrases. I will do it over the weekend. No, it was daily consistency, voice messages, phone calls, classes. Yes, sometimes you have skipped some classes. We do have flexibility because you're a busy person, you have family, and it's normal, right? No one can be 100% perfect, but at least you did 80% or let's say 90% of the work, which brought you results. So this is also what it requires if you want to join this course. You need to be very, very committed. It is intensive course. It takes time, but of course it brings results. So not like if you go traditional classes, also you can get results, but you need to wait 1 year, 2 years if you go that slower pace. So for everyone who want to get fast results, this course is for you. But you have to be here, you have to take action, and of course, give your best.
I 100% support this. Need to be committed, but I found the commitment was matched by the support of the coaches, the teachers. If we put the effort, they're there for us. They're always listening to us, trying to make sure we improve. It's very positive coaching. So obviously, I made lots of mistakes throughout the program in my speaking, but they were there not to correct me in negative way, but just to in a very positive manner that you feel okay. I'm going to improve, and it's going to help my German at the end of the day, and it's for the for my own best interest. So yeah, this program for me is it's fast paced. You need to be dedicated, but the results are absolutely amazing. Within a month, you can see the confidence that you have, the new words that you learn by speaking every day, the commitment that it is. It really really works. You have to trust the process, but the process works.
And is there anything that you like to say to someone who is, let's say, now sitting with me and he need to make a decision whether he'll join this course or not? What would you like to tell him?
Just do it. It's the greatest investment of time that you'll have. Seems like a long time, the program, but it goes so fast. And you learn every week, you make progress. Obviously, you get tired, you get frustrated sometimes, but just trust the process, and it will be an amazing experience. You'll meet amazing people, people in the same situation as you that want to learn German as well. They're dedicated, so it's really together that you can learn and feel motivated by speaking every day and doing messages. So simply, all in all, just do it.